Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's been some time, but here am I with another Stream API video. So let's go. So given a string, find out if it is a palindrome or not. And we need to solve it via Java 8. So here is our string and we need to see if this is a palindrome or not. So first of all, what is a palindrome? A palindrome is basically a word, string or number which reads same forward and backward, right? So suppose we have sorry, 1 to 1, this is a palindrome. We have madam, this is a palindrome. And we have level up, this is not a palindrome, right? So right now the first thing that we need to do is we will convert it to lowercase just to handle some edge cases. Okay, and then what we are going to do is we are going to use int stream. So int stream basically works on primitives, right? So we'll have a stream of integer generated owing to the length of the string, and then we will be checking the first character with the last character, and we'll check if they are same or not. We use range for int stream, and then we will be going from 0 to s dot length, which is the entire length of the string that we have, and actually not the entire length but mid length. Okay, you will understand why we do that. And we will be using all match. So we are using all match because uh, there are certain short circuiting like functionalities in streams via which you'll understand earlier if it breaks or it goes through the program. So if either of the characters do not match, then it will break. So you can consider it as a break if you have to consider how we work in normal Java. So we need to check the characters. So s dot character at x equals to s dot character at the last index. Okay, so how do we get the last index? Here we have 5 as the length for level, right? So what we will do is length, which is 5, minus x, which is currently 0, right? This is the first index, 0. So what we have is we are checking 0 character at 0 with 5, right? But you know that since we are starting with 0, so it needs to be s dot length minus 1. So that is what we will do, s dot length minus x, which is 0 currently, and minus 1, so that we appropriately reach to the last L. Okay, so basically we are doing a comparison between this L and this L, and also we have like converted it into lowercase, so that is handled there. And this is a Boolean check. So this is what we get. Let's quickly run it, and we are seeing true. What if we do it level up? We should see a false. Okay, so if you have to consider the time complexity, you are seeing that we are going 0 to length by 2, right? So it's basically half into n, and like it's n. Okay, and we are not using any extra space, so it's space complexity is also 1. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.